Pretty nice day today with temperatures climbing into the middle and upper 60s. This is going to feel cool compared to this time tomorrow afternoon when temperatures will likely be 10 degrees or make that 20 degrees warmer. It's going to feel more like a mid-June day with temperatures in the middle and upper 80s. As opposed to an early and middle April day. Skies are clear right now, but we do have clouds back out to the west, and those will begin to move in for early tomorrow morning. We may even have a few passing showers for the first half of the day as a warm front begins to lift through. It's all coming from this area of low pressure back to the west. We'll take you up in elevation into the atmosphere and show you how the jet stream is shooting in off the west coast and sending a tongue of higher winds into western Nebraska. Those winds will increase as we go through the next 24 hours aloft, also down at the surface. We could have winds gusting at times to 50 miles per hour tomorrow, and then we'll add in some thunderstorms by evening, and that could take the winds even higher. Now, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's going to start out mild with temperatures in the 40s. Clouds will quickly be on the increase through the morning hours. Again, a passing shower not out of the question as this warm front begins to lift through, and by noon, I think we'll start to see clearing happening out to the west. Also, notice by noon, temperatures already into the 60s, but once that sun pops in, mid-April sun, much stronger, we're going to see our temperatures surging into the middle and upper 80s around here for the afternoon. I'm forecasting high of 86 degrees in Lincoln, 86 in Beatrice, 86 in Seward. And this will be the warmest temperatures we've seen since mid-October of last year. But as I mentioned, winds will be gusting at times to 50 miles per hour, so hang on to your hat if you're going to be outside. We're also going to watch for the potential for some strong to severe storms tomorrow evening. The Storm Prediction Center has all of eastern Nebraska in a slight risk of severe weather, and that extends off to the east. You'll notice on our instability map how the instability begins to grow through the day tomorrow. Now, we're likely to see our temperatures, or at least feel our dew point temperatures, climbing into the middle 50s. So we may even notice a little humidity tomorrow. Now, there will be more instability into Iowa, Missouri, and Kansas. But notice what happens as we head towards the evening hours. We'll actually see this back up just a little bit. And I think we're going to have what we had a couple weeks ago, where we see thunderstorms developing right over the top of Lancaster County and Gage County, and then quickly moving off to the east. And you can see that how the instability quickly moves east through the evening. Right now, I'm bracketing the hours between about 6 o'clock and 10 o'clock in the evening for the potential for some thunderstorms. Now, you'll notice on this version of Stormcast, no storms out there at 6 o'clock, but notice what happens by 8 o'clock. Here comes this line of thunderstorms developing over Lancaster County down towards Crete and Fairbury. And I will say this computer model specifically is a little further west than most of what we've been seeing coming in. Most of it's just a little further east than this. But I wanted to show you this just to show you the potential for thunderstorms are there. Some of these could have some large hail. We cannot rule out the chance for a tornado and some very strong winds with this. In fact, wind is probably the greatest concern, I think. Hail the second, and then again, a couple of tornadoes not out of the question. Not expecting a lot of rain out of this, but if you get caught underneath a thunderstorm, it may produce a very heavy amount of rain in a short period of time. Stormcast suggesting an inch of rain down towards Beatrice. Also wanted to show you along and ahead of this cold front coming in, the fire weather threat starts to increase through the day, a high to extreme risk out of that. Right now we've got temperatures in the mid-60s. Tonight, temperatures are only going to drop off into the mid-40s. Again, tonight we'll see winds turning a little breezy as well, gusting at times to 35 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, turning cooler by Wednesday, high of only 55 degrees, and temperatures for much of the next 10 days will be below normal. Easter right now, 56 degrees, a passing shower not out of the question. 46 degrees by next Monday, and then temperatures rebounding back into the upper 50s. Keep in mind our normal high temperature is 64 degrees. So again, turning cooler for 9 of the next 10 days.
But quite